Kingster i7 3rd generation processor comes with 4 cores and 8 threads, and it is perfect for budget PC. Frontex CPU cooler fan. For CPU comes with pre-apply thermal paste. Zebranik 450 watts, black gold power supply. Consistent 8GB DDR3 RAM. Zebranik H61. Motherboard comes with LGA 1155 socket and NVMe M.2 slot. Zebranik 256 GBM 2NV. Frontech Grid Silver Series cabinet with decent looks. Zebranik wired keyboard mouse combo under 500 rupees. Doing calculation of this parts of PC. If you buy offline, you will get cheaper than online.